welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan. Is this your first time of checking out this channel? Please hit the subscribe button. And if you are a regular here, please like, share, and also let your friends know that there are amazing recipes here. This soup is everything and more. If you'd like to know how I got the end result, please keep watching. The first thing I'm doing is putting together my pomo because I really wanted to eat pomo with dry fish in this soup. So I got pomo and stock fish, well washed, and then we're going to parboil it in salted water for a little bit so it gets very soft. There's nothing worse than struggling with pomo inside vegetable soup. The next thing we're going to do, into the chicken stock, I took out the fish, and then into the chicken stock put ground crayfish and our local spices, pepper, and then also mixing that in nicely, nune by seasoning, and this is going to cook. And after this, I'm going to put back our stockfish and our pomo that was already parboiled in salted water, and then let it cook for a while. I added our stockfish and pomo back, and then I'm adding 2 full spoons of palm oil, and then I'm also going to mix this in, let it cook. You guys, basically the soup is done. Once your stock is ready, this vegetable soup is as good as done. The next thing I'm going to do is put in a bit of smoked fish. Oh god, this soup, I wish there was a way I could make it to smell this soup. So now smoked fish is in, and the next thing is our veggies. You can use any veggie sauce that you like, but for this one I'm using two types of veggies. I'm using ugu, and then I'm also going to use lots of water leaf, like a full yes, a full basket of water leaf to the half basket of ugu. So I'm going to mix this in two stages. I'm going to mix this in half, and then I'm also going to pour another half in when I'm almost done, basically mixing the first batch. You have to be careful with your water content for this soup unless you want it very watery, because water leaf is going to bring out water, the ugu is going to bring out water, and then our stock as well is going to just make the veggies shrink. Like, you won't believe the amount of veggies that went into this pot. This basket is not small, but everything is going to shrink, guys. Don't worry about the overflowing veggies. Everything will shrink in. Shrinkage is real. So yes, be very careful with your water content if you don't want the soup to be very watery. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this in, just kind of punch holes in so that the stock can pass and kind of soak in with the veggies, and our soup is ready. Right now the soup is totally off the heat because it's not needed. You don't want your veggies to overcook, and I still want that green color that you saw at the beginning of the video. So I've put this totally off, and then I'm just letting the steam walk through the vegetables. Thank you for watching. Our soup is ready. I don't want the greens more cooked than this at all, so they can stay as fresh as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Which swallow are you eating this soup with? Mine is going down with eba. You guys know eba is like my best choice of swallow. Mine is going down with Eva. Let me know the swallow that you're bringing to the table in the comment section. My name is Mdevaan. Please hit the subscribe button and thanks again for watching.